How to lock down your Windows privacy with DoNotSpy11. Protect your privacy and stop Windows spying on you with the help of DoNotSpy11, a handy and lightweight utility app. Tools and requirements. 1. DoNotSpy11. 2. Windows 11 or Windows 10. Quick steps. 1. First, create a restore point in the app in case anything goes wrong. To do so, click Actions greater than Create System Restore Point. 2. Use the checkboxes to disable or enable Windows features. To do so, simply tick the checkbox next to a setting. 3. Click Apply to save your changes, or select Discard to reset them. 4. Use profiles to quickly load saved configurations requires Pro Edition purchase. To do so, click File greater than Save Profile or Load Profile to keep a copy of your DoNotSpy11 settings.